Welcome back. This is day number 2 and providing you with value and things that I've implemented in my day-to-day routine that can be fitness related, mindset related, work related, relationship related, anything under the sun that I feel that I've put within my own life and has improved the quality of my life. If you missed last episode, it could have been last week if you watched it last week, is I talked about my commute and a technique that I've used to improve my mindset to start my day. So if you haven't looked at that, go check it out. Day number 2, I want to talk about learning about the ego and what that has done for me in helping change my perception for my day-to-day routine or how I just view things. And if you haven't learned about the ego or haven't heard this reference, I encourage you to check out a few resources. One is Michael Pollan's recent book, which is called Changing Your Mind. And that delves into the psychedelic research, but just the idea that you are not your voice in your head. There is a more deeper you that gets clouded by the voice in your head. And with our routines, our jobs, it's very difficult for us to be connected with that deeper us or that deeper you and really just be all in on the ego. And that's kind of how I was until, I guess, the past year or even the past few months, the ability to realize that I'm not the voice within my head, I'm not these emotions, that these aren't who I truly am. And that has been truly freeing and really given me a broader perspective on my work, my relationships, and helps me see things in a different light. And I think that's where the most powerful advice can be, is things that allow you to see or perceive things differently. And some things might resonate with you, some things might not resonate with you. So if this message isn't resonating with you, that's fine. But if it is, I encourage you to go check out that book and 2 podcasts that I really think are great in terms of introducing you to this concept. One is the Aubrey Marcus podcast. He did one recently, number 159, with it's called The Ultimate FAQ for Life with Eric Godsey. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing his name correctly, but go check that out. And go check out Tim Ferriss podcast number 300. That's with Jack Cornfield or Feld, and another amazing resource for you to really delve into this topic. All right, so that'll sum up value number 2. You are not your ego. You are not the voices in your head. There's a deeper you. So go dig in and find out. Till next time.